Hey guys, it's Bree and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look. I did it using the new Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. It has the prettiest berry tones. It just looks so good, and I feel like all the colors are pretty simple, so you don't need to use this palette if you have any drugstore shadows or shadows you already have that are similar to colors. They're pretty basic. You wear this on a date night like I did. I wore it on Valentine's Day, or you can wear this look going out with your girls or going out to brunch or just anything you want. Even if you're just sitting around the house and want to do your makeup, go ahead and try this look out. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the tutorial. So my eyebrows are done and my eyes are primed, and now I'm going to be taking the color Berry Chic and putting that in my crease with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to take the color Roseberry and also place that in the crease, kind of under the first color we laid down. You want to make sure that you go ahead and blend these two colors together so the transition is seamless, and just keep building that color so it's nice and opaque. Now I'm taking the color Berry Pop and I'm using a blending brush to place that below those two crease colors. This is going to add more dimension and give us that really pretty pop of color. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you got to. Then I'm just going to take a big clean fluffy brush and blend that all out. Taking a small brush, I'm going back in with the Berry Chic color and packing that all over my lids. You want to make sure to pack this on to get the full color intensity. I'm taking mixed berries and I'm going to place that towards those crease colors, but this time I'm focusing it more towards the outer corner of the eye with the blending brush. Going back in with that roseberry color we used in the crease, I'm just going to use that to further blend everything out. Next, I'm taking the color Berry Black with a detail brush and placing that in my outer corners. Take your time with this step because when working with black, things can get very messy very quickly. I went back in and blended out the eye with a few blending brushes. You'll notice this whole look is about blending and layering, so take your time just to keep applying and blending the colors until you're satisfied. I'm taking Berry Chic and placing it on my lids again just to bring back some of that color that we had blended away. And then I went ahead and took a cream color and placed it under my brow bone as a highlight. I am now going ahead and lining my eyes and using the NYX Black Liquid Liner just to create a wing. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, and this is just going to help fill in your pores and lay down a nice base before your foundation. For foundation, I will be using the Nars Longwear Radiant Foundation in the color Vienna, and I'm just placing that all over my face and I'm going to be blending it out with my L'Oreal Beauty Sponge. To add a bit more coverage, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Concealer and just placing it on the areas where I have some blemishes and hyperpigmentation, and I'll be blending it away with a fluffy concealer brush that is also by Tarte. I'm using Tarte Shapetape to highlight my face, and I placed the lighter shade in my inner corner and added the slightly darker shade on the outside just to give a more brightened effect to the under eye. Then I just went back in and blended it all with my sponge. Then I'm going to set that concealer using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Transparent. Then I'll just be setting the rest of my face with the Wet n Wild Pressed Powder. Now, with a fluffy pencil brush, I am taking the 3 middle colors that we used in the crease earlier, and I'll be placing those on my lower lash line. To give us some more depth, I am taking this black liner by Smashbox and using it to line my waterline. Now I am just going to curl my lashes and add some mascara in preparation for some falsies. And I am using the Maybelline X Shayla mascara. This works so good, and especially for your lower lashes, like it makes them look so long, it's crazy. Okay, I popped on some lashes off camera, and now I'm going to be contouring and bronzing with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and just placing that on my cheekbones, nose, forehead, and my jawline. Then I went back in with that Rimmel powder we used earlier just to clean up my contour. I took Nars Deep Throat blush, and any peachy pinky blush will do, but I just thought this looked really pretty with the eyes. I am using Dandelion Twinkle by Benefit to give my face a bit of an all-over glow just so I wasn't so matte. And I went in and took the Laura Geller highlight in Diamond Glow, but then I ended up wanting more shine, so I took the 2 bottom highlights in the Sleek Solstice palette and placed that all over my face, and it really gave my face a high shine, and trust me when I say a little goes a long way, as you can see. I also just took some and placed it in the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm taking my Anastasia brow gel in the shade Chocolate and just using that to set my brows. To finish this look, I am going to line my lips with Lancome's Ideal Lip Liner. And then I went ahead and took MAC's Honeylove Lipstick and used it to fill in my lips. And I ended up topping it off with the Too Faced lip gloss in Peach Fuzz. That's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye!